Good evening. Are you looking for a specific flower or just some fresh air?
Hello, I am Julian. I think I am in the wrong place.
My name is Elena. This is a greenhouse, not a business office.
I can see that. I was looking for the new concrete building next door.
You look very tired, Julian. Why don't you stay for a moment?
I have a meeting in 20 minutes. Time is very short for me.
Time is slow here. The plants don't care about your meetings.
That tree is beautiful. What is its name?
That is a traveler's palm. It holds water for thirsty people in the desert.
I feel like that traveler. I am very thirsty for some quiet time.
Leave your tablet on the table. It is too bright for this room.
Okay, just for 5 minutes. I need to breathe.
Deep breaths are the best medicine. Smell the jasmine in the air.
It smells like my grandmother's garden. It is very nostalgic.
Nature has a way of helping us remember who we really are.
I'm an architect. I build tall towers of glass and steel.
Steel is strong, but it is cold. Plants are soft, but they are alive.
My buildings are very modern, but they feel empty. Something is missing.
Maybe they need a soul? Maybe they need a bit of green?
I never thought about that. I only thought about lines.
Come here, Julian. I want to show you something very rare.
Is it that blue flower in the corner? It is glowing.
It is a blue moon orchid. It only opens its petals at night.
It is incredible. The geometry of the petals is perfect.
Nature is the best architect. She never makes a mistake.
I spend millions of dollars, but I cannot create something this beautiful.
Because you are trying to control it, you must learn to listen.
Can you teach me? I want to understand this world of yours.
Put your hands in the soil first. We start from the ground.
My suit is very expensive, but okay, let's do it.
Take this small pot and fill it with black soil.
It is very warm and very soft.
It is full of life. It is the beginning of everything we see.
Now I have dirt under my fingernails. My assistant will be shocked.
Your assistant needs to touch some dirt too.
What am I planting? Is it a flower or a tree?
It is a small oak tree. It is tiny now, but it will be giant.
An oak tree and a small pot. That is a big responsibility.
Make a small hole with your finger. Put the seed inside gently.
Like this? I don't want to crush it.
Perfect. Now cover it with a blanket of earth.
It is finished. When will I see the first green leaf?
In 2 weeks, you must be patient and give it some water.
Patience is not my best quality. I want results immediately.
Trees take years to grow. You cannot rush a forest, Julian.
Architecture is the same. It takes years to build a skyscraper.
But a building is finished one day. A garden is never finished.
That is a very interesting point. A garden is always changing.
Every season brings a new color and a new shape.
I feel strange. My stress is slowly disappearing.
That is the power of the earth. It takes our negative energy.
I am usually checking my emails every 3 minutes.
Today, the only mail is the sunlight on your face.
I like this new mail system much better.
Let's wash our hands. I have some special tea for us.
Tea? I usually drink 5 cups of black coffee every day.
Tea is for speed. Tea is for conversation and thought.
You are right. My heart is beating too fast from the coffee.
Sit here under the lemon tree. It has a very fresh aroma.
I think I'm going to miss my meeting, and I don't care.
This tea is made from mint and honey. It is very simple.
It is delicious. It is very calm and sweet.
Tell me about your new project, Julian. Why is it so cold?
It is a shopping mall. Just glass, concrete, and gray stone.
Why not add a garden on the roof or trees in the center?
It is expensive, and the owners want more shops, not trees.
But people will stay longer if they feel happy and relaxed.
Look at this sketch. It is very modern.
It looks like a prison for shoppers. It needs some air.
What if I put a waterfall here, in the lobby?
And vertical gardens on the walls, like a green mountain?
Yes, we can use recycled water for the plants.
Now you are thinking like a creator, not just a builder.
I can see it now. The light will hit the leaves and make shadows.
Shadows are as important as light in a good garden.
You are giving me so much inspiration, Elena. Thank you.
We need more people like you to bring nature back to the city.
I will change the design tomorrow morning. They will listen to me.
Use your voice to protect the green spaces.
I will. I want my buildings to breathe, like your greenhouse.
This greenhouse was my father's dream. I'm just keeping it alive.
Your father was a very smart man. He knew what people need.
He said that cities are stone deserts. We need oases.
I am going to build an oasis in the middle of the business district.
That is a noble goal. I will provide the plants for you.
It is a deal, a partnership between steel and leaf.
Look at the sky. The stars are starting to appear through the glass.
It is very beautiful. I never look at the stars in the city.
Because the city lights are too loud. Here it is quiet.
I think I found what was missing in my life, Elena.
Why do you architects love glass so much, Julian?
Glass is transparent. It makes the space feel very big.
But glass can be a trap for the heat. Plants need balance.
That is true. We use special filters to protect the rooms.
In nature, leaves are the filters. They create a soft light.
The veins in this leaf look like a city map.
Or like a system of roads for the water and nutrients.
It is a perfect infrastructure, minimalist and functional.
And it is biodegradable. It returns to the earth in winter.
My buildings stay forever, but they become old and ugly.
Nature is never ugly. Even a dead tree is a home for birds.
Buildings must be useful for everyone.
Including the birds and the bees?
Why not? A building for humans and nature together.
You are becoming a dreamer, Julian. I like this version of you.
I like it too. I feel 10 years younger than 2 hours ago.
The time here worked its magic on you.
My phone is ringing. It is my boss.
Are you going to answer it, or is it plant time?
It is definitely plant time.
Good choice. Your boss can wait for the future.
Tell me more about the blue moon orchid. Why is it so rare?
Because it only grows in one small valley in the mountains.
We must protect it. We must protect all these fragile things.
Protection starts with appreciation. You see it, so you care.
I see everything differently now. The world is not just a project.
The world is a living organism. We are part of it.
I'm going to tell my colleagues about this place.
Bring them here. I have enough tea for everyone.
They need this. We all need to touch the soil sometimes. Elena, I want to buy some plants for my own apartment.
That is a great idea, but do you have enough light?
I have big windows, but I am never home to water them.
You need indestructible plants then, like the snake plant.
It looks very modern and sharp.
It is perfect for you. It cleans the air while you sleep.
And if I forget to water it for a week?
It will survive. It is a very patient friend.
I will take 2 of those, and maybe some jasmine for the smell.
Jasmine needs more love. You must talk to it every day.
I will talk to it about my new green architecture plans.
The jasmine will be very interested in your career.
I'm holding this small oak tree. It is my new project.
I am giving you a small bag of special soil for it.
Thank you for everything, Elena. You changed my perspective.
You changed your own perspective, Julian. I just opened the door.
I will come back next week to show you my new sketches.
I will prepare the jasmine tea and maybe some cookies.
It's a date. I mean, a business meeting.
A green business meeting. I like it.
Goodbye, Elena. See you in the garden.
Goodbye, Julian. Walk slowly.